Hey YouTube, this is Kyle from Mr. K's Math and Science channel. Today's video is on physical and chemical properties and changes. Let's get started. Physical properties are observed or measured without affecting the identity of a substance. Some examples include shape, the physical state, whether it's a solid, liquid, or gas, the boiling, freezing points, density, and the color of that substance. Keep in mind, if you change the color of a substance, it's still the same substance. Think about a house. If you paint a house red and change the color to blue, it's still a house. So you have not changed what that substance is. Physical change occurs in a substance if there's a change in state, so whether or not it changes from solid, liquid, gas, or if there's a change in the shape. Any change that does not alter the identity and composition of the substance is considered a physical change. Chemical properties describe the ability of a substance to change into a new substance or to interact with other substances. Consider flammability or reactions with acids. Chemical changes, also known as chemical reactions, occur when a new substance forms. So it has to have a new composition, new chemical and physical properties. Consider the formation of carbon dioxide and water in a combustion reaction. Alright, let's try some examples of physical and chemical properties. So consider these four examples. You have ice melting in the sun, aluminum is a shiny metal, wood can burn, and silver can tarnish. Well, ice melting in the sun, ice melting, that's a physical property because it's a change of state. Aluminum, as a shiny metal, that is also a physical property. Nothing has changed. Wood can burn, so that's the ability of wood to burn, and therefore that is a chemical property. Lastly, the ability of silver to tarnish. That is another chemical property. Now on to physical and chemical changes. Consider these four examples: cutting hair, making salt water, snow melting, burning a candle. So if you cut your hair, it's still hair. You haven't changed what it is. It's just shorter. Therefore, that is a physical change. Making salt water is usually debated. We'll talk more about that when we get to intermolecular forces. But for now, making salt water is a physical change. It's a physical change because when you mix salt and water, we can dissolve the salt. However, if the water evaporates, we can get the salt back out. Snow melting, that's just another example of a change of state. You have a solid going to a liquid. And then burning a candle. So the actual burning of the candle is a chemical change, right? That's the wick burning. If we were talking about melting a candle, it would then be a physical change. If you have any questions or comments about this video, or would like to suggest content for future videos, send me an email at stein51687@yahoo.com. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.